Hello everybody, this is Eric Redjet 505. What I got here today is a Cross RC off-road electric vehicle. It's pretty cool vehicle. It's actually a rock crawler, but for some reason they don't call it a rock crawler. I'm gonna show you, it's a pretty cool vehicle. This is the FR4 four-wheel drive, completely lock differential. Very cool vehicle. Let's look at it real quick. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you want to see a cooler unboxing, you can always go to our professional channel at RC Monster Garage. Don't forget to subscribe over there because we're giving a lot of free stuff over there. This is for my viewers that stay with me since I opened this channel. Let's show you what you got. First of all, they're giving you this remote. It's a pretty cool remote. Very basic, very toyish remote. For that vehicle, it can work fine. Later replace it. This vehicle actually will be, it's deserving a better remote. So let's say that this way. Let's put it aside and look at the vehicle. So, first glance on the vehicle. I already plugged it in, so you can see it's a light, and those are actually pretty bright when I put my hands. You can see the light is very strong, and you have also the orange light. I did not put light on the back, too bad. The two red lights here will be pretty cool. But when you're looking at the back, you can see that this like vintage kind of wheel covers that they used to have on vehicles. You have mirrors. If you look at the mirrors, those mirrors actually have small mirrors inside. You can actually see reflection of my nails. You have here kind of like sliders for the body. And then you have those wheels. They're like 3-parts wheels, so they're pretty cool, and it's very, very soft rubber over here. It's gonna run just great. Let's remove the body and show you underneath. Now, before you remove the body, very important, there is a lot of wirings going here. Hook up the lights. You need to take those out gently so you don't destroy your vehicle. I'm gonna show right now how to do that. Please pay attention. You're going to lift it up. You can hold it from the wheel on the back. Then when you look inside, you have here your receiver. First, you're gently going to pull up the receiver. And then you have a small connector that hook up to the light. Remember that the red going toward outside or your right hand. You have to disengage it. And then this is how it's look from the inside. Okay, you have two lights here, LED light. And let's put this thing aside. Then let's disconnect the battery. We don't need it anymore. And now what we're looking at is the actual vehicle. So when you look at it first, you can see right away something really cool, that this entire vehicle have this plastic subframe, kind of mud guard, but this is not your frame. The plastic that you see around is just mud guards. You have here adjustment holes, like for all, let's bring it closer. Adjustment holes for the shocks, and then you have aluminum shocks that actually are very, very cool. They feel very good. And then you have anodized steel frame. You have the motor right over here on the front. It's look like a 550 motors, 540, 550 style motors with a small ESC. Although this ESC will take nickel metal, 2S LiPo and 3S LiPo. You just need to move those jumpers right there near my toe. Now, that being said, you have steering servo right there. Pretty cool, pretty strong, and you can, if you lift it a little bit up, you're not gonna see it. It's a very cool lock differential. And when I flip it, I discovered earlier that one of the parts is broken, broken from the factory. It's not a big deal. It's just the arm. They're gonna send a replacement. It's not a big deal. But everything else here, well, let's set it up here so you guys can see better. Aluminum. It's all aluminum, and then the shaft here is aluminum and steel. It's really cool. And then you have shaft going to the center. There is a drive system over there that actually going from the motor and split it here front and back. And then there is another shaft here that turn when you turn everything, so you can take another shaft, make it longer, and make it a 6-wheel drive if you like. So it's very cool if you can do that. overall, very cool vehicle. And let's see if I can actually show it to the camera. Let me see right there. You see that over there? That's where my finger is. Just look when I turn. There is a part that turn right there. So you can add with another drive cup. You can have another rear wheel working on this. Lock differential, feel very nice. Very smooth. When it's turning very smooth, the suspension on it is working really nice. It's a short base suspension, so you can actually lower it and make it longer. You can play with it a lot. They make the system very adjustable, very cool. And that's it. This is just the quick review on it. Let's put the body back on this with all the wire kind of hanging on it. Those wires need to be inside. I just put it real quick. So this is actually the vehicle. This is what you're getting. And this is the new Cross RC, their off-road rock roller. I don't know why they're not calling it rock roller. It's probably can go also fast as a regular vehicle. Would be cool to put it actually a brushless motor in it and see if it's gonna rip. But that's it. Don't forget, this is Eric, Redjet 505. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And go to our main channel for the shop, RC Monster Garage. Because we may be going to end up deciding to give one of those away. We just need to talk to the company, see if they're going to give us any of them, and we're going to give them away. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and write a nice comment. There is one guy, I don't want to say who it is, keep giving us a down to every video. Too bad for him. I feel sad for him. He's a competitor. Keep doing it. I like your down. I know that you watch my videos each time. See you next time. Bye-bye.